Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Lightroom on PC. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you have to open any browser on your PC, and then on your browser, you have to search for Lightroom PC. Now, it's going to show you these results. In these results, you can just come to this official Lightroom link over here and open it up. Now, it's going to bring you to this web page. Just choose your operating system from this page, and then you have to choose the folder that you want to save the download in. Now, it's going to start the downloading process. Once the downloading process is completed, you simply have to head over to the folder that you saved your download in and then extract it to the same location. After that, access the extracted folder and launch the setup. Then, it's just going to run the setup for you, and you may be prompted to sign into your Adobe ID. Once done, you can start the installation. Now, you just need to wait for it and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can download and install Lightroom on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.